Welcome to the EnWhite squad, and congratulations on your first purchase. You'll have your 2-part kit. Inside, your foaming solution. And then here, you have your whitening kit. First and foremost though, first step what you're going to do is you're going to take your foaming solution and generously lather it onto your toothbrush. Give it 2 to 3 pumps. From here, brush your teeth for 2 minutes. What this is going to do is going to kickstart the whitening process and remove any plaque before we get started. But, exciting. Go inside the kit. First and foremost, take note of where you're at on the scale. Leave a little note and keep that in mind for next. You have your magnetic charger. You also have your whitening device. And then underneath, you're going to get 3 whitening pens. Next step, take your pen, remove the cap, and twist at the bottom until the solution comes to the top. You're going to individually paint the top 8 to 10 top and bottom teeth and get ready for the next step. Once that's done, you're going to take your whitening device. Here, on the front, you've got the on switch. Press and hold. For the first tap, you'll get a blue light. This helps for whitening. Tap it again. On the second tap, you'll get a hot red light, and this helps for the oral care of your mouth. But what is recommended? If you tap 3 times, you get a dual light, a combination of the cool blue light as well as the hot red light, and this is going to give you the maximum effect for whitening your teeth. So, this is where you get to sit back and enjoy. The tooth whitening device goes for 16 minutes, so you don't need to worry about a thing. It'll turn off on its own. Once the device is turned off, wash the device as well as rinse out your mouth and head to the mirror because now it's time to flaunt that beautiful, confident, white smile. It's recommended that you use this regime every single night for 2 weeks. Now, let's go back to here. See where you were marked out previously and see where you're at now. Take a photo, let us know, share it on Instagram. We know you're gonna love that beautiful smile. Have fun with your EnWhite journey. We know that you will, and can't wait to see the results that are waiting for you.